that building is done that way. I have the foreground building or background building from Walters. That's just, it's about A wide. I can't remember what exactly it is, but that is completely done that way. That one's going to get done that way. When I get the roundhouse to the point where I'm going to paint stuff, that will get done that way. The powerhouse for the engine facility is going to get done that way because it's the wall sections like Ian built the warehouse so I'm gonna try to get a little bit of texture with the primer coat because that stuff doesn't seem to take the pencil as well. So I'm gonna try to get a little bit of rougher paint surface so I can get a little better.
Yeah, one, please.
Yeah. I mean,
Okay. Worst case, I would take
if I just adjust the thinness or the thickness of
cool.
my paint and pressure in my airbrush, I'll be able to get a toothed surface. No, I'm just saying it's regular.
Alright, that's fine.
Yeah.
It'll fit in the clear, so. Yeah, I don't.
Yeah.
You can't get the one, so.
That's what I'm looking for. Just
It's all
something that has
good.
really good tooth to it. Yeah. So that way, when you start coloring on it, it grabs the holder just like a piece of paper.
And none of these places on the plants and stuff,
Yeah.
I never thought about
Well, these are just straight up Prisma paint pencils that you can buy.
Nice.